Really? I cannot believe he did this. Brian!
What?
What did you order? What is this?
Been meaning to tell you about that.
How much is this costing me?
Nothing. Well, it's,
Explain yourself, Lucy.
it's a new windshield, some handlebars, stuff like that.
But you already have all this.
Yeah, but not for the new bike.
New bike? What?
This guy's gonna take all my money.
Sky Power Sports, Indian of Seminole County.
What's up everyone, Brian at Ride with Two Indians here, and man, doesn't this look awesome. New Bike Day is the best day ever, and I'm so excited to get my new 2022 Challenger. Hey, a quick plug before we get started for the crew at Sky Power Sports, Indian of Seminole County.
I have to thank the entire team at Sky Power Sports. Thank you guys! Yeah!
No matter where you are in the country, give them a call, ask for my guy Pat Paz, and if he's not available, anyone there will take care of you just like family. This is my fourth bike from these guys, and I will never shop anywhere else. Alright, let's get into the good, the bad, a little bit of drama, and we'll also have some fun along the way. Okay, so last month when my new video for the 2022 models dropped, and I'll put a link right up here if you haven't seen it, I was already on the phone with the dealer getting this bike on order. Now, truth be told, it is not the exact bike I wanted. I was hoping for some more color options, and frankly, I was hoping for a red Dark Horse in the same color as that new Chief Bobber, but no such luck. So I ordered the Limited because I wanted all the fancy stuff, and for some reason the maroon metallic called out to me. I put the deposit down, but like everyone else, I had no idea how long the wait would be or when the bike would show up. Lucky for me and a few others, it only took about 5 weeks for it to get here. Anyways, you just saw the bike came in and everything went smoothly. Right? Not so much. Look, I'm a full disclosure kind of guy, but at this point, all I can tell you is the amazing, and I mean heroic people at Indian Motorcycle Customer Support worked with the dealer to get around some unexpected issues and get the bike delivered with minimal delays. Honestly, I've never had to call their customer support line to get help, and when I did, they acted with a sense of urgency like I have never seen, and don't think for a moment it's because I do this YouTube thing. Nope, these people were truly concerned and worked quickly to find a remedy. When I have a full understanding of all the behind-the-scenes details, I'll let you know. Anyway, I'm on the bike now. I've had a chance to get a little over 100 miles on it, which is not a whole lot, but I think I have a pretty good idea of what I like and don't like about the bike, and I want to give you some of my thoughts on it. Let's jump into it.
I guess we'll talk about the things I don't like first.
Alright, sadly, the audio quality just goes down from here, so I'm going to continue with the voiceover if y'all don't mind. Anyway, my first complaint is this stupid exposed screw, like they couldn't put a little cover here. I mean, everything else in front of me on the dash is expertly finished and looks great. So, come on man, really? The second thing I don't like are these brake and shift levers. I mean, the whole bike is chromed out, and to have these painted black makes no sense at all to me. It's chrome on the Springfield, right? The other thing that bugs me about this is the brake peg. I mean, this is a limited model. You couldn't put one of those nicer pads like is also on the Springfield? I suppose I'll get used to it, but I think I'll be looking for a pad. Now the seat is well below par in my opinion, but we all know that that can take a bit of break-in, and to be fair, my pampered ass is used to a custom seat that has a nice deep rounded surface that form fits perfectly, and these feel like a sheet of plywood in comparison. Again, we'll let it break in and see what happens. By the way, has anyone tried the new premium heated Rogue seat from Indian? It looks pretty nice. Leave some comments below and let me know. Now the handlebars are going to be switched out to KSTs in the very near future because I've just come accustomed to a raised bar and they're far more comfortable like that for me. These things pull me too far forward. I'm also used to the mustache bars on the Springfield, which combined with my highway pegs and floorboards gives me 3-foot positions to choose from, and it looks like that is no longer an option. I guess I'll be fine once I get some highway pegs on this thing. Something else that I find completely inadequate is the horn. I mean, check this out from my ride yesterday.
Oh my God, I just tried the horn for the very first time, and I feel like Krusty the Clown with this thing. I mean, come on, man. Oh my gosh, like I'm squeaking a little bicycle horn. Unfortunately, Buffalo Brands does not make a horn for the Challenger yet. I gotta do something about that.
Now let's talk about the things that I do love on this bike. Oh baby, the list is long, and it far outweighs any of this little stuff. There are 4 main reasons why I bought this bike, and as far as I'm concerned, there isn't another bike on the market that offers everything I want in one package. It's got unmatched power, superb handling, superior braking, and a platform of technology and convenience built for long-distance touring. Now these bikes have legendary power, but because I like to take things to 11, I went ahead and installed a full Stage 1 and Stage 2 from Indian, because I like my warranty just like it is. The power is immediate, responsive, and the handling is otherworldly. This is what sport bike riders enjoy, the ability to dip into a turn effortlessly and with immediacy. It's something you can feel the moment the bike starts rolling, and it wakes you up the first time you lean into the smallest curve. It's really a wow moment. If you haven't ridden one of these, you can't understand. Light, nimble, and with a lean angle that forces you to push it a little harder just to get it to scrape. Now I haven't had a chance to play with all the tech in the infotainment system, but the weather and traffic overlays were also a key part of my decision to make the jump up to this fantastic machine. I also got her up to about 90 today, and the wind mitigation and the reduced buffeting was almost a hallelujah moment for me. I never realized how much I was really getting bumped around on the Springfield in comparison, and I'm looking forward to longer rides even more now. Folks, I know there are people out there that complain about the factory ECU and the fact that there's some throttle lag and stalling issues. Now, I've yet to experience any of that, and it might be due to the fact that I put in the Stage 1 and Stage 2, but I promise to keep you in the loop on any of that if it changes. Hey, before we go, let's get that first upgrade on the bike. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for a lot more on this bike and of course all the others that we've got in the garage. It's getting a little crowded in there.
All right. What?
What is this?
Been meaning to tell you about that.
How much is this costing me?
Nothing. Okay, so
Go ahead, explain yourself.
well, it's
Explain yourself, Lucy.
it's like a new windshield, some handlebars, stuff like that. And now and so now you go, but you already have all that.
But you already have all this.
Yeah, but not for the new bike.
You see what I have to put up with?
No, you're supposed to go look at the camera and go, new bike.
New bike? What?
Okay. That should be good.
Can I go back to my TikTok?